Hi, my name is Nicole Parra, and today I will talk you about marketing strategies that involve a gradual disappearance of privacy. Currently, every day we use our cell phones to look at our social media, maybe to see some publications, to see some videos, or to read about the news of our country. But sometimes, don't you feel someone is listening to you? Well, nowadays there are some marketing strategies that involve a gradual disappearance of privacy and in most of the cases make us feel uncomfortable or unsatisfied. The first strategy it's about companies that can listen to us when we are talking with someone else about an application or a product that we need. This strategy allows company um, to listen to us and then show or send us different announcements about what we were talking about. For example, one day I was talking to my friend about a chemistry activity that we had to do to school. And then, when it had passed about 30 minutes, I logged in on Instagram and I started to see different announcements about chemistry apps and things like that. And actually, I was really surprised because of that. The second strategy, it consists on showing us advertising without our permission. Most of the time, it occurs when we are searching for something on websites or through social media, and it starts to appear different advertisements from companies that don't have the permission to do it. So then we if we look at our email, we can see different message on our email's spam section. One example of this is that one day I was doing another activity for maths class, and I started to see different announcements about cars, about tickets to go to Europe, and things like that. And I was like, what they are showing me these kind of things if that is not related of what I'm searching for. And also they don't have the permission, so this don't have to be the way to do this kind of advertisements. Then we can see the third strategy, and I think most of you don't know about it, but it's related to the fingerprints use. Some of the technology suppliers use the fingerprints to know more about the browser's information, to know more about the person's electronic device. So then they could do a individual tracking and then provide us personal announcements. Um, then, because of this kind of strategies, some companies had have problems with their clients because the clients say the companies are going beyond they should go and are ending to their privacy. Then the companies use the excuse that they use this kind of strategies to improve their marketing and to provide us different information that goes um, related to what we should what we will like to see, but actually they are not thinking about how people say feel about this kind of strategies that involve the gradual disappearance of privacy. Taking into account all of these strategies, we could have one conclusion. The conclusion is that there are a lot of marketing strategies that go beyond their limits and are ending with our privacy. Right now, if some of you have some company that use this kind of strategies, I will invite you to change these strategies in strategies that involve the people's permission and always thinking about how the people feel in front of this situation, in front of the management of their personal information and about their privacy. And that's all. Thank you.